Let me show you what stills the show. Oh, first of all, it's the packaging. Come on, focus. This is the Shiseido, I always want to say Ultimate, but it's not Ultimate, Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. Now, she's not a necessary step, but she's a fun step that you can just work into your routine for an extra oomph, you know? So, as a concentrate, how you're going to, I just melted it in my hand. How you're going to work a concentrate in your routine, morning or night. You're going to take like 2 pumps is enough of this. Oh, I love this stuff. And you're actually going to apply this before your serum. That's what I've been doing. Sheet mask, toner, this concentrate, and then, I think I got it in my mouth. Then serum. I like to press this thing in my skin. So what this is going to do is basically give your serum or your moisturizer an added little boost. First way to do, whoa, oh, I told y'all, this is it. This is my new, oh my God. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. This is what is it? Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate.